There's two ways to do the runner's lunge. One is stepping and one is with a slider. I really like the idea of using a slider. You can use a coaster with a shiny side. The shiny side goes down on the carpet if you've got one. Paper plate on the carpet works well. If you don't have carpet and you're on a hard floor that's shiny, use a cloth of any kind, whether it's a dishcloth, a towel, a t-shirt. You could even wear your socks. One sock maybe. Alright, I'll show you how to do the slider and then I'll show you how to do the step one. So the coaster's going on the floor, underneath the foot, the ball of the foot, and the other foot will stand. Put your weight between the heel of your foot and the ball of your toes, and you're going to bend the foot you're stood on and push the slider back. And then lean forward and put your arms forward. So really bend down and lean forward. Try and track your knee over your toes. If I were just to do the stepping one, it's just a step back and bring your hips up, stand straight. Step back, bring your feet together. Step back, bring your feet together. Step back, bring your feet together. So you can choose stepping or sliding, but I quite like the sliding one.